Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to MW Technology. Today, I've rounded up 6 of the coolest Kickstarter projects blowing up right now. Links are down in the description. Let's jump straight in. XGO Rider. If you've ever dreamed of a desktop robot buddy, say hi to XGO Rider. This wheel-legged pal packs a Raspberry Pi CM4 under the hood and sports AI-powered gesture and face recognition. It's got a 5-megapixel camera, dual microphones, and a speaker for chatting with ChatGPT right from your desk. It crushed its 80,000 Hong Kong dollar target, raising over 650,000 Hong Kong dollars, and comes with a 2-inch IPS display, USB-C, HDMI out, plus programmable buttons for endless fun. Pilot. Meet Pilot, a futuristic, open-source mini-computer built around the Raspberry Pi 5. This little beast smashed its $3,867 goal in just 5 minutes, and now sits at over $580,000 pledged. With up to 7 hours of battery life, you can tinker on the go. Choose the Pilot 5 handheld with its 5-inch touchscreen, QMK-powered keyboard, and trackball. Or go big with the 7-inch Pilot 7 running KDE Plasma. Both share a modular 3D printable chassis so you can add new parts whenever you like. PKVM. PKVM turns your Pi CM4 into a full-blown remote KVM over IP. Keyboard, video, and mouse included. Choose the minimalist V4 Mini or splurge on V4 Plus with expansion ports. Both rock 2 GB RAM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, high-res display support, and a secure steel case with Kensington lock. It blew past its $95,000 goal, pulling in over $820,000. Proof that IT pros love hardware elegance. Circuit Digest PCB drone. DIY drone fans, rejoice. This palm-sized flyer runs on an ESP32 and an MPU 6050 sensor for rock-steady flight, all on a PCB frame that doubles as structure and circuitry. 4 coreless motors give it nimble agility, and assembly takes minutes. It smashed its 7.5K target to hit 117K plus. If you need custom PCBs, JLC PCB will turn around 5 boards in 24 hours for just $2. Check the description for details. Code Rover. Code Rover is the robot puzzle that everyone's building. Compatible with Arduino, Pi, Microbit, or ESP32, it's a 300-piece build that you can program wirelessly from your phone. Robust metal-geared motors, magnetic encoders, swappable sensor hats, and 2 chassis styles, sumo or off-road, keep things fresh. It raised nearly $57,000 on a $7,000 goal. XG2 AI Quadruped. This desktop RoboDog flexes 12 degrees of freedom and a gripper claw, powered by Pi CM4 intelligence. It walks in any direction, decodes QR codes, reads emotions, and even learns moves via a teaching mode. Over 327 backers helped it soar past its $220,000 goal, proving AI robotics isn't just for labs,